what it is, what it ain't. It's your girl, Pure Bree, and I'm back with another video for you.
If I say her name, it ring bells. Say I got the drill, get you a pill. All of her exes are goofy Chappelle. I'm at a house more than a mailman. Say you a star, but you giving me hell. In another zone, can't you tell? And if you ain't rocking, I'm like, oh well. The eyes of me.
Alright, y'all. So today I got a mukbang for y'all. I'm trying the new grilled cheese dipping taco from Taco Bell. You feel me? I had to try it. I seen it on YouTube, so I definitely want to try it. I don't always eat Taco Bell, but I just want to try it. You know what I'm saying? I got two of these tacos. You feel me? You feel me? Full of cheese. You know what I'm saying? I got the cheese dipping sauce, and I got I don't even know what this is. Some sort of red sauce. I don't even know what to call this sauce, you know what I'm saying? So I got this cheese and I got this red sauce that I'm about to try, so we about to see how that is, you feel me? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead. First of all, before I get into this, how was your day? How you doing? You know what I'm saying? Y'all comment down below and tell me how your day was, or how your day is going so far for this week, you feel me? A lot been going on, you know what I'm saying? A lot been going on. I just been cracking up over social media all week long, you know what I'm saying? But let me go ahead and get into this. I'm about to dip it in this cheese, you know what I'm saying? Okay. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It's got a little kickback on it, a little spice. You know what I'm saying? And that little, you know what I'm saying? But that cheese, man, this shit is good. This shit is really good. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm about to dip it in this sauce. Hopefully this is not crazy spicy, but I don't really like spicy food, so I'm gonna let y'all know that about me. Okay. This shit falling apart. This shit falling apart. I might dip it with both. You know what I'm saying? It's real soft. Real soft, you know what I'm saying? And my pet peeve is I don't like things that fall apart like this. My tacos, I don't like when my tacos fall apart. So it's very, if you don't like sogginess, I don't think you're gonna like it. If you don't like sogginess, I don't think you're really gonna like it. But if you just love cheese, I love cheese. This might be something that you might, want to try. You know what I'm saying? Taco Bell. Y'all may have got one with this. You know what I'm saying? It tastes like a regular, beef burrito, but I don't know, with a little spice to it. Along with this mukbang, I wanted to come to y'all because I want y'all to get to know me. I want y'all to get to know me a little better, you know what I'm saying? I want to know y'all a little better as well. So I'm making this video too, aside of the mukbang, you know what I'm saying? I want y'all to ask me some questions. Anything, if you're curious about my background, what I do, you know what I'm saying? Just anything you want to ask, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can ask me, and on my next video, I promise I'm gonna get back to y'all with the answers, you feel me? Anything that's too crazy, I might have to, I don't know, you know what I'm saying? We gonna figure that part out. But y'all can head over to my Instagram. My Instagram is pure_breed__. That is 2 underscores at the end. I'm gonna have that posted somewhere in the video, I don't know. And I'm gonna have it down in the description. So if y'all got any questions y'all wanna ask, some of the craziest questions, I promise y'all I'm gonna get back with y'all in the next video, okay? But back to this grilled cheese dipping burrito, whatever they want to call it. Okay. If it's too much cheese for you, I recommend just using the sauce, you know what I'm saying? If it's too much, just use the sauce, because they're dipping cheese. It might be a little bit too much cheese, you know what I'm saying? And I also got, had to hit them with a Baja Blast. You feel me? The sweet taste of Alizé.
The sweet smell of Alizé.
I'm crazy, y'all. Got one down. So like, one is kind of like, I recommend you get like 3 of them. I got 2, you know what I'm saying? I thought they were gonna come bigger than this. I thought they were gonna be a little bigger. So I only got 2. And that one just went by like maybe 3 bites. So you might want to order at least 3 or 4 of them things, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Come in like that, you know what I'm saying? You know, the cheese hanging off of it. You feel? You feel me? Yes, sir. Y'all. I thought I asked for some sour cream, you know what I'm saying? But you know what? I thought I asked for some sour cream, but I definitely wanted to try this with some sour cream. But I'm gonna take this cheese, you know what I'm saying, this sauce right here for right now. The top of the burrito is kind of crunchy. The bottom is very thin. The bottom is very soggy. So it's probably because it had to come from Taco Bell and it sat there for a second. So I'm assuming if you get this fresh from Taco Bell and you eating it, it may not be falling apart like mine is. But hey, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? For the first time trying it. Yes, sir. got a slight spiciness to it. Again, I'm a little sensitive when it comes to spicy stuff. So my taste buds are different. You may not think it's spicy. Barbecue chips, Lay's barbecue chips are a little spicy to me, but that's just how I am. But yeah, y'all want to get to know me. I definitely want to get to know y'all. Y'all can ask me anything. Again, if you got any questions, curious, even about my last video, hell, anything. Give me video ideas that y'all may want me to, you know, indulge in, or, you know what I'm saying, do. Y'all go to my Instagram, pure_breed, that's BREED__, and y'all, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and add me, hit that DM and let me know if y'all got any questions, you know what I'm saying. I'm definitely gonna answer that on my next one, you feel me. Also, I want to give a shout out to Content OTW. If y'all ain't been over there to her channel, go ahead and get over there and get on her channel, you feel me? Go show Content some love. Go like, go comment, and subscribe to her channel, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? She be having a lot of positive things to say, you know what I'm saying? And she be doing the mukbangs too. And she got a food review channel, you know what I'm saying? She go to different restaurants, all behind the table. So go ahead and check out Content OTW again on YouTube. Y'all definitely go and check her out, you feel me? Tell her Pure Breed sent you. I'm gonna dip both of it, you know what I'm saying? I rate this taco, I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. Why? Just because it was just so flimsy. It was kind of soggy, you know, but that's my fault, because of course I wanted to show y'all that new taco and I didn't eat it after I got it. So the sauce that they have is good. It's not spicy. It's just like a regular, you know, taco sauce from Taco Bell. And this cheesy sauce, that right there kind of make your jaws lock up when you eat it with the taco, you know what I'm saying? So, but both of them together, yeah, that's good. It's good. It is good. Y'all got any questions y'all want to ask me, you know what I'm saying? Want to get to know me a little bit better, y'all hit my Instagram, _breed__, you know what I'm saying? I got this video idea from the report of the week, so I'm definitely tune into that channel as well. My boy he do his reviews, you know what I'm saying? He give distinct description and detail about the actual food. So y'all head over to his channel as well. And it's your girl, Pure Breed. You feel me knocking? Well, let me in.
You feel me knocking? I feel you. Well, let me in.
Until next time, y'all. Peace.
If I say her name, it ring bells. Say I got the drill, get you a pill. All of her exes are goofy Chappelle. I'm at a house more than a mailman. Say you a star, but you giving me hell. In another zone, can't you tell? And if you ain't rocking, I'm like, oh.